Hello, guys, how are you? Look at Hebrews chapter 9, verse 22. And almost all things are by law purged with blood, and without shedding of blood is no remission. Listen again. Look, this is the Bible. It's not somebody else's Bible. This is the Holy Bible. The Holy Bible. See? Holy Bible. Holy Bible. King James Version. Check. Hebrews chapter 9, verse 22. And almost all things are by law purged with blood, and without shedding of blood there is no remission. The reason why I'm showing you that verse is because there are some things in your life that you need to shed blood. Most people will shed the blood of a goat, the blood of a sheep. And in African spirituality, they usually say, bring somebody, and they say, bring someone. But it's a test. They mean to bring your own self because it is your own blood that is supposed to be shed. And that is the reason why your life is taken at a short time. When you bring somebody else's child or somebody else's mother or your own mother or your own family member, it's supposed to be your own blood because it says in the Bible what you just read. So those that have been going through pain and try to, forgive me, commit suicide, or those people whose family have committed suicide, it is through psychosis. Because me, I have been through suicide many times. My last attempt was here in Ghana, and I think I didn't do it too deep. So the blood that was shed, and I prayed to God for there to be an investigation to be done on my behalf. I asked God to intervene on my behalf from the blood that was shed from me. So that shows that sometimes blood needs to be shed, but not other people's blood. It has to be your own blood. I'm not promoting suicide. That's not what I'm promoting. Okay, bye and have a blessed day.